This particular client asked them not to wash the car. You can see it's pretty dirty. It's covered in nastiness, but that's okay. So we're going to look around and see what we find. Headlights look good. Gap on the hood looks pretty good. It's a little smaller over here than it is on the right, but this is okay. Check our fog lights. That looks good. Start making our way around. That looks good. Camera's nice and tight. This is a little odd right here. This fender's pushed out. Oh, you know what? It's flexible here. A little heat push on it will be okay. Look across the front roof gasket. Look along the A-pillar. Now you see here, it's got a nice gap for the trunk. This is kind of what I expect. Nothing out of the ordinary, really. All the trim looks where it's supposed to be. Get inside here. We'll function check the window. All the way back up. Seats look good. Again, this is plastic now instead of leather. Soft open, soft close, lift up, check this. Oh, that's actually nice and tight right here. Nice and tight. Nice and secure. Secure. You look around up top. Everything looks good so far. Checking all of our trim. Function check, seats, forward, up, down, back. Yep. Function check the window in the back. Check over all of the seats. No pop stitches. This one they asked not to prep beyond removing film, and it looks better than I usually see in here. That looks good. Check up top. Here's the typical plastic that's left over. That's okay. Function check the seat release. All the way down, all the way up. This is a little out of place here. Actually, no, that looks okay. It could be a little tighter. It's not bad. Come around to the back. You see it's a performance. It's got the nice carbon fiber wing. We'll check the gaps here on the tail lights. These look pretty good. We'll check the power trunk. We always want to make sure that they have both stops here. He's got his mats, front plate, charger adapter. All right, everything looks good there. Fold this forward. Here we go. That looks good. I like to look at the seals here, make sure they're making full contact around the taillights. Check the trunk close. Soft lock looks good. Come around. Check. Good. Gap's a little bigger than I would like on the trunk here. And no matter what you say, Tesla's going to tell you that it's within spec. So ultimately, this isn't egregious. This gap is usually pretty big. This looks good. Trim's where it's supposed to be. We look down the body for dings. I don't see any. Function check. Almost done.
I mean, any issues as of?
Not yet. All right, guys, so we looked over this Model Y Performance right here. It's got the white interior. It's got the midnight silver metallic paint, turbine wheels, carbon fiber spoiler. It looks great. There's only one issue on the driver's side door where it sits a little bit lower. Nothing egregious, just they'll loosen the door and then just shift it up and then re-secure it. They'll probably have it done in an hour. Not a big deal. Can't really see any paint issues. I'm sure we'll find some unfinished wet sanding and other odds and ends once we get it clean, but we're gonna pick this up and take it today from Tesla here in Westchester. We're gonna get it back to the shop, get Ultimate Armor on it, and our Ultimate IR tint. We're gonna get this thing looking good and protected. If you guys are looking to get your Tesla picked up soon and you wanna have us help you with the inspection, let us know. TotalDetailingPA.com.